Hi YouTube, welcome back to Ava Pearl's World, and today I'm going to be giving y'all different ways you can style your edges and be creative, so stay tuned and enjoy this video. This video is not sponsored. I'm just using Shine and Jam for this video, and I just wanted to say any of your favorite gels will work. If you like edge booster, morays, whatever you like, I'm just showing y'all how I like to style my edges. But for this video, the fact that I'm going to just not try to keep it as long as possible because it's only staying in my hair for like 5 minutes. The Shine and Gem is not the best to lay your edges with, but it's good for practice. Just get a gel that works for you.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I am currently just doing a rough draft of how I would like my edges to be swooping on my head and how I would like them to be formed, shaped, all that. So this is basically an imperfect little placement key for me that helps when I'm doing my retouches and just shaping them to be a lot neater.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I'm
just gonna go back over them so I can make them more precise. The key here is definitely using both hands so that you can get your hairs laid as you're swooping the bottom portion.
never been the type to break up a happy home, but there's something about baby girl, I just can't get alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you.
This style is very cute and classy, and it gives such an organic look to it, considering the fact that babies are naturally allowing their hair to be more of a straight across look. They don't attempt to style it, but this is just a lot neater and cleaner. I love it.
start acting trippin', I heard about the girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day, hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in, it's too sweet, now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya, don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him, but you and Dirty got ties for different reasons, I respect that, and right before I turned to leave, she said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
So for our third hairstyle, I'm going in with my Chi Silk hairspray, and this is a nice non-sticky hairspray that just helps everything stay in place in a neat manner.
So sweet, so tight, I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, girl, I got filet. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling.
I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart.
I have to use the other side of the brush for these specific swoops because the comb side isn't as easy to get this specific look.
I'ma leave this dark that you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight. Tell me that you're coming through. I need you, baby.
So I just jump right in and start making the little O's on my head. They look a little bit like bubbles, so this is definitely my favorite style out of all of them because It's so versatile, and it connects me a lot with my inner child because I used to love bubbles as a kid, and that's what it reminds me of. So comment down below which one is your favorite. I am definitely curious, and let me know which one you guys like to try.
Hoping that you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you got me through.
So this concludes my YouTube video. Thank you all for sticking around. I really hope that I inspired y'all to try different styles with your baby hair, switch it up, be creative, and have fun. And don't forget to check out my other YouTube videos. Bye.